as upper. See? So we have to make the more individual looking, even though it's a bridge frames. I don't hesitate to grinding to make the more embrasure, especially gingiva embrasure is more open, to maximize it. The monolithic restoration, the tooth contour and form from the gingiva to all the way inside each position, and the neck narrower, the canine, the proportional of the tooth. Do not hesitate it. This is one of the key to make the great aesthetics. Before I go to the lobster pieces, top of that, the big gentle embrasure open in between the tooth after design. Then we can make this successful for the Citon 7-star cases. Okay. All right. Okay, 4 implants with a big Pontic and sticking out the case. That's why we're choosing the Citon 7-star as a wall from cover frame design from the wax try-in. So we took it out quite a bit, underneath, outside. Okay, the Pontic especially. You see the Pontic, take it out, the Pontic, the gum. Alright, that much we cut it, so we're trying to decrease the lot of thickness from the facial and lingual. And so only thing is here is between the joint implant sides. Can you add a little bit more? Just make sure it's not thick enough.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I mean, okay, that's good. The other side as well, so other side, that's good. There's more issue with the bite underneath. This is a natural teeth, this is a more problem. The cause is a big problem. So now, well, we're going to nest it. Okay, side view, yes. So occlusions is a problem is the really over bite. Really fat, which is they set up the denture setup. Usually people don't like that. Usually, maybe 10% they love it, side view. So we decrease quite a bit lingually. So make the flat is nice contour as close as possible instead of the really sticking out the tooth like denture teeth. I mean, this is wax try-in. So now we're going to bring it in, cut it back. Show me the cut it back. That one is cut it back, so that was really good information for Citon 7-star as well as the design. Oh. So final, the long span with the Citon 7-star cases before cement. So I'd like to show you guys like this. They completely make the monolithic from the wax try-in. Then we get the best solution for this patient. So too thick. Then we made it really thin as possible. So cool. Then on top of that, made this another beautiful aesthetics. So just you saw the old processing. So this is the best patient can get. Okay. And the other 3 unit bridge 2, especially the lower teeth is grinding. That was more killing. And whenever they add this, its bite is more forces to the fascia, and then they will get the zirconia failure, and then fractures or so many problems. So this is a great solution for 4 implants. The anterior has the no implant with heavy forces lower. This is the best solution for these patients. So we're going to cement soon. Okay, GSM1 has the new concept, no primer. So we're going to do cement Citon 7-star cases. Using these white colors opaque, it increase the high value compared to matching the lower teeth. And then mix it. The bowl instruction is over there. And then this, and then apply. Just one by one. And then now cement it. Then we can eliminate it with a Q-tip. Like that. Like this. Yep. Nice. Then you cure it. Check your coolant contact first. You start curing now. So after finish the cement, the 4 unit, we made it so many times with long span. So some people said it's not going to work, but this kind of types made so many times with a Citon 7-star. Probably they working with different frame design or different aesthetic or different anything. And like I said, this is a monolithic, which is I like the which is 4 implant, which is the people don't like it. They must be placed implant here, right? The other option is very limited, but it's whenever they have these teeth, it's just a little bit bouncing together, so it's not rigid, it's not solid. But this one, we finally finish it and gives them right solution with especially the heavy bite patients. Then we give them another guard too. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Cases finals, it's long span bridge is made by Citon 7-star. It's 4 implant with a maximum strength, with a extremely thin. Make the 6 unit mono top of this. And 3 units side by side.